3, 2, 1, start. Many middle class Indians, when questioned, are quick to answer that they are non political. The same people would strongly advocate that every adult should vote the most obviously political act in an electoral democracy. Politics permeates almost every aspect of our lives, and to create artificial divisions between our politics and ourselves causes confusion in how both our society and our politics is shaped. No social movement could therefore fail to recognize its relationship with political thought and action. The discourse in recent times has created arbitrary lines separating social and political movements. It has projected the political as being tainted, and this separation has alienated many of us from reasoned political thought and action. Civil society in the immediate context is a buzzword wrapped in ambiguity. The media has helped project it as an utopian monolith expected to cleanse the rot in the political system. Even the way we define civil society spells exclusiveness. It was expected to bring together an intrinsically hierarchical and divisive society which would confront politicians and their institutions. A popular protest can bring these divergent sectors for some time. However, it would be a mistake to romanticize or worse equate civil society with a movement. A campaign needs to work out details, and a movement needs to have its own internal logic. Sweeping away all complexities and reducing the debate to black and white raises a threat to democracy itself. Social movements recognize this complexity and see themselves as a part of a larger political process. There is an innate understanding of the politics of fighting oppression and exclusion, and many have enriched and used democratic spaces that electoral politics does not offer. The leaders of the independence movement were political, but with symbiotic connections with a vast range of social movements with stated ideologies. Social movements had strong ideological and political differences, but they demonstrated a deep commitment to democratic debate with a fundamental respect for difference and dissent. The independence movement was therefore a collection of a variety of socio political movements of depth and vision. Some sustained the political parties they shaped. Gandhiji, Ambedkar, Netaji, M.N. Roy, the communists, and many more continued to influence our political future. They fought for independence from the British despite sharp differences of a vision of India. Those visions were shaped by the social movements they helped establish. Some took public office, others, like Gandhiji and Jayaprakash Narayan, did not. Embedded as they were in political discourse, these visionaries believed that sustained change would primarily emerge from participatory democratic processes. Leaders do not give birth to movements. On the contrary, leaders emerge from them. A legal framework by itself is insufficient and is only a consequence of a movement that has already drawn large numbers of people into a sustained process.